from Qatar, Laguna, Taguig, Lucena, Imus, Cavite, soon Dubai. Good morning, ka-winner. Come on, guys. Mahal ko, wag na lumuha pa ngayon, pagkat ito'y masakit rin sa aking loob. Ang pag-ibig hindi kailanman magbabago. But I'm sorry, I can't be with you tonight. Though I want to hold you in my arms tonight, I couldn't take the chance, 'cause it won't be right. Maybe when we meet again some other time, 'cause tonight I'll only share my love with him. Sana'y maunawaan mo ang paglayo. Mahal kita, ngunit paano mawawala ang nakaraan? Pinagbago na ng panahon. Kung maaari lang, di na kita iiwan pa. That song is brought to you by Soul Life Renew Advanced 8-in-1 White. Buy na, bili na. Thank you. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Believe me, I will share my love.